Hello, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with yet another breakfast recipe, again an instant breakfast recipe using semolina or rava. We are making idiyappam out of rava today. So this is a very easy recipe that anybody can make. So the ingredients list required for this dish is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications, and also like, share and comment. So to begin with, I've taken a non-stick kadai into which I've poured the water. I've kept the flame on medium. I also have unroasted fine to medium variety of rava or semolina here. So we'll be adding the rava into the water once it comes to a boil. So let's boil the water. Before that, let's add in a little bit of salt to taste, and also either ghee or oil. I'm using oil here, you can use ghee as well. Now I'm going to mix everything together. And let's just cover this and let it come to a boil. So once the water comes to a boil, we'll add in the rava gradually. Keep stirring it, making sure there are no lumps. Mix it nicely until all the water is absorbed and the rava becomes thick. So the rava is ready now. Let's allow this to cool a little before we start the next process. Make sure you keep it covered. So once the rava cools down slightly, you can just wet your hands like this and start kneading it. Knead it like a chapati dough. Once you've kneaded it, divide it into 2 equal portions and then make it into a cylindrical shape. So I've taken the idli plates, greased it nicely and added some coconut to it. Now we'll take the idiyappam maker and press the dough through it into these idli plates. So this is the idiyappam maker that I have got. It comes with 3 parts. The main cylinder is hollow like this, and it comes with different types of discs like this. So I'm using this size disc for this idiyappam. I'm going to add it to the bottom of the idiyappam maker, and you just turn it and close it like this. Close it tightly. Now we'll take the rava dough and one of the cylinder of rava dough and put it inside the idiyappam maker like this. Now we'll just close this portion by turning it around like that. Turn it nicely until it's nice and tight. Now if you turn it this way, the strings will come through the bottom. It's almost like noodles. Once the plate is filled nicely, you can stop, and this is how it will look. We'll do the rest of the idiyappams. So once all of them are done, I put it into an idli pot and we are going to cover and cook this for 5 minutes. So the idiyappams are done. Let's remove it from the mold. You can serve this idiyappam with some stew or chutney. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye bye.